Today's project is called Beetle Fangs. We're going to be using a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands, each 15 inches and or 38.1 centimeters. Both connect together to form a loop, connected here to make the core. We're using 2 different colors, yellow and red. Both of them are 48 inches long, 121.92 centimeters, melted together to make one long strand. And you might need this or something else, to help you. Tell you what, let's do it. Right, going through the side of the cow hitch, and we center it. From the left side, goes down in between 2 and 3, out to the side. The yellow from the right side goes down in between 2 and 3 and goes off to the left. Now we take the red that's now on the right side, put it through the loop and over. The yellow goes over down in the loop on the other side, and take the bottom strings, kind of pull them, and slide through and slide through, and let me slide that there. So, and that's the whole thing. That's the whole pattern right there. Just do it over and over and over and over again. All right, red down through, in between 2 and 3, yellow goes over, and then down in between 2 and 3. And we take the red that is now over on the right side, go over, down on the loop that you made on the left, and the yellow goes down in the yellow loop on the right. Now you take the bottom right in here, pull it out, kind of hold your fingers on the bottom, hold it steady, pull the red one first, then pull the right, and boom. One more time. From the red to the left, it goes down in between 2 and 3. Yellow from the right goes down in between 2 and 3. The red on the left side goes over across and down through the red loop on the left. The yellow that's on the left goes over down through the loop, a yellow loop on the right. Now the bottom, give it a little tuggy, snuggy, but not too tight. And then pull the red, pull the yellow, and boom. Now, just keep up if you can. If I go a little bit too fast, hey, just yell slow down, I might be able to hear you. You always pause, rewind, and if you see me screw up, let me know.
We weave so tight under the city lights so bright. Paracord under and turn as time flies. Wristbands in a purple hue, every twist feels so new. Paracord dreams in the night, wearing friendship in the light. Tied together, feeling free, you and me, eternally. Paracord dreams in the night, wearing friendship in the light. Tied together, feeling free, you and me, eternally. Bringing stories side by side, every knot a promise tied. Hands that weave a secret code, memories in a thread of gold. In the beat of our hearts we'll find every loop a peace of mind. Wearing hope through every chord, in this neon dreams we're adored. Paracord dreams in the night, wearing friendship in the light. Tied together, feeling free, you and me, eternally. Eternally. Eternally.